So we've been exploring spreadsheets and data lately with the Numbers app and having a look at that. This is actually Google Sheets, which is similar. The thing that Google Sheets has, I guess, over the Numbers apps is the complexity of some of the functions that you can actually apply. So if you have a look here, I've just created a little translator. So if I just type in goodbye and hit the ticky box, it basically loads up and says the equivalent in French. And basically it's a really, really simple formula down the bottom. You select FX, which is your functions, you select the Google Translate, you tell the cell that it wants to translate, and then you just put in the two language codes of what it actually has to be. And then all of a sudden, you've got this wonderful little translator app that can translate languages. So if I say hello, and this could be really good for the language classroom. If they're learning a language, they could actually create their own spreadsheet where it's actually checking the words that it's converting it and translating it to. Just a really great way of using spreadsheets in a little bit of a creative way.